At Out of Line Designs, our #1 goal is to provide a service to our client that we as a team can be proud of. Good enough is not enough. We strive to design a space that will work for each individual client. This means fully understanding how you use the space for day-to-day life. We not only want to create a beautiful space, but also one that is functional for your individual needs.
Majority of the times clients ask us to come in and have a look at an existing space and just make it a bit more usable for them. They usually have an idea but don't know how to execute that idea. That's where we step in and create an exact plan for that idea. Usually when we go see clients first, it's usually trying to get them to tell us what they're wanting out of the space. It could be a little corner that they're wanting us to work on, but we get the overall usage of the space and design in accordance to that. Something like a TV unit, but you know it's going to be also the playroom for the kid. You also know that it's going to be used as a study, or it's also going to be like the main family hangout. So you kind of understand how the space is going to be lived in, and you design in accordance to that.
We understand that building a new home and starting a renovation can be stressful, almost overwhelming. We take the stress out of that equation and create a full, detailed game plan so that when the project starts, there are no unforeseen questions, concerns, or decisions that need to be made on the fly. This will greatly reduce timely mistakes, delays, and additional costs.
The whole process basically, it actually was very simple. They had the drawings, they had the plans, they were extremely well organized, came in, and honestly everything went like clockwork. We couldn't have asked for anything better than what we had.
There was a real attention to detail, which we really appreciated. So we never had to say, really? No, it was always they were ahead of us. And then the other big thing that we appreciated was there's always things that don't quite work out the way you thought they would in the design. And so Becky from Out of Line Designs was really good at making adjustments that in the end have made a really big difference to us.
The experience with Out of Line Design was amazing from my first message I sent them on Instagram, through the design process, through installation, and then follow up on the design and the install. I highly recommend their services. They've been A++, and actually I've gone on to recommend them to clients and friends and family.
At Out of Line Designs, we strive to design a space that will work with each individual client. This means fully understanding how you use the space and how that works for you day to day. We not only want to create a beautiful space, but also one that works for you on your individual needs.